direct. This is Anambra State Lion Squad. Come on. This is Anambra State Lion Squad demanding for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Sunday Obasi, Mazi Martin Eze Okobe. If you fail to release them, we are coming to release them by ourselves. We are just putting you on notice on this day, the 13th day of January 2022, that we are much alive to demand for our request, and the agitation of Biafra must come to accomplishment. That is our request, because we are not asking for what that belongs to you. We are asking for what that belongs to us, and that is why we remain formidable and resolute. Thank you very much as well.
He's so working, he must obey by force.
We are direct. This is Anambra State Lions Club. For the release of Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally.
Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.
One of Nnamdi Kanu must be released. Whether they like
Kanu is another savior.
Yes.
That is not the president of Nigeria, the super country that should release our leader without that. Anything can happen at any time. Understand? We are not happy.
Our men are here. We are right at the New Pass 4. We are in Onitsha axis, agitating for our freedom, the freedom of Biafran people, the freedom of our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can witness it by yourself that none are here. Yes. None are here. No retreat, no surrender. We are not backing away. We are not backing out. We are forging ahead because we remain resolute and formidable. And our formidability is what we are displaying today. And no man can deny it from us because we are fighting for the right, just cause.